welcome to this facet video on using drag and drop in the MQGem product, MQEdit. This video will cover how to move messages between queues, how to copy messages between queues, and how to do these actions between queue managers. To move a message to another queue, simply select the message you wish to move and drag and drop to the queue you want to move it to. You will see the label say Move To, followed by the name of the queue you are currently hovering over. Release the mouse to move the message to that queue. You can also do this with multiple messages at a time, by first selecting the messages you wish to move, either using the Shift key to select a group or the Control key to individually select specific messages, and again simply drag and drop to move all of the messages to a particular queue. Copying messages to another queue is done in much the same way, except you now must hold down the Shift key before letting go of the mouse button. You will see that the label changes to say Copy To. This works the same for copying multiple messages at a time. To move or copy messages between different queue managers, first you must set the Move/Copy Messages directly to Remote Queue Manager option by right-clicking and navigating to Message Operations. Click this option to set it. You can see it has a check mark next to it if you open this menu again. Now simply drag and drop to move, holding down the Shift key if you want to copy instead. Finally, if you have multiple instances of MQEdit running, you can drag and drop to move or copy messages between them. This concludes our video on dragging and dropping in MQEdit. You can see how easy it is to move and copy messages between queues. If you have any questions or comments about this video or the product, or would like to be sent a trial license so you can try it out for yourself, then please send an email to support@mqgem.com. Thank you for watching.